Hello everybody. In this part it's time to get the outdoor clocks going. One on the patio and then one in my storage building here. We'll go with the Amazon Basics batteries. Been having pretty good success with those. Got Panasonics in there now. Carbon zinc. It's ticking away. It's 7:21 p.m. Perfect. And I got the same battery in that one. And that one is not working. We have a dead movement. Can't even tell that it's trying. Oh, I think we got some action. There we go. We're good. Not sure what that was about. There's clock number 1 in the storage building, and clock number 2 out here on the patio. Once again, this has been getting the outdoor clocks up and running for 2025. Thank you for watching.